Welcome back to this new video, guys. With Spreadsheets, today I'm going to show you how to get started with the classic method of merging cells directly into Excel. The fastest way to combine cells. Remember that it is usually the classic method, which is the merge and center, that you can find directly inside here. But what I wanted to do now and focus in directly is to highlight the cells I wanted to combine. So the first thing is to locate the document that you currently have. And let's say, for example, that I have now this cells. Now, if you see the Home tab section, you want to look out for the actual element that says the alignment group and click into the option that says merged. Usually it appears directly inside here, but here have the middle aligned. Here's the center, increase, decrease, diagonal up, vertical letter. Here it is, my merge and center. Now, the reason why this one is not available for me yet is because we're actually using Excel Cloud. Now, I must tell you that usually the Microsoft 365 has the access to get started with Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and so much more. Unfortunately, there are a few advanced methods like the merge and center that is not available to use for the free version. But if you have, let's say, like a paid version of Excel, this is one way to do it. So note that if you don't want the text center, you can click the arrow next to the button and choose the option that only search merge across. Now, there's an actual keyboard shortcut if you're a speed user that you can try, which is Alt HMC. And this will be helping me to check out the like this, and it will be making the actual merge out of it. Now, for example, for making the actual merge with no center, instead of HMC, just try Alt HMM, and it will be done right away. And let's say, for example, for on merged, instead of M, just type U, Alt HMU, and it will be making the on merged center. To repeat a merge action quickly, you can select a new cell, a new set of cells, and you can press F4, and it will be repeating the last comment that you have done instantly. In this case, it says no further action to redo because we haven't do the process directly inside here, since we're actually using the free version. Now, the pro way, center across the selection. Why do this? The standard merging breaks sorting filter by copy pasting your sheet. This method gives you the look merged cells without actually breaking the actual grid. So you can select the range of cell when you want to text the actual center. Press Control 1 if you're using your Windows, or Command 1 if you're using your Mac, and you can see the actual formatting tab already been open. If you click into the alignment section, under the horizontal alignment drop down menu, you can select the option that says center across the actual selection, and you can click into OK or closed, and you can see that the result looks pretty perfect centered, but the columns remain individual and fully functional. This is, for example, this is just like a gold standard for financial modeling and clean data. Now, if you cannot merge the cells, well, make sure that you are not using the free version of the Microsoft 365. Other thing is that sometimes the sheet is protected. To unlock the sheet, you need to just make sure that you can see into the option that says review, and make sure that here where it says protection, you don't have the actual protection already been managed. In this case, I do have the actual sheet not protected. Something else, for example, is that the legacy shared modes can restrict formatting, so you're sure that you have a modern co-authoring mode if this is, for example, like a shared workbook. So make sure that you have the availability to check out and edit all directly into this actual cell. So if you have any question, guys, you can let me know into the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and well, hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you next time.